How to use Bitrue Referral program. Are there pressing issues to use the Bitrue Referral program? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To start earning through Bitrue Referral program, first of all, open Bitrue app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now just simply tap on this more icon which you can see at the home page. Tap on it. After you click on more, you can see this option for referral. Tap on referral. Here you will see a unique referral link or code. Share it with your friends through social media, messages, or email. When someone signs up using this link and complete their first trade, you will earn referral reward, usually a percentage of the trading fees. You can track all the referrals and rewards under the referral dashboard in the app. Your reward can be claimed or used for trading immediately. And that's it, guys. That's how we're going to use Bitrue referral program. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.